Good morning. Good snow day, second snow day in a row where I have almost not been able to get anything done, so that's exciting. Can you feel the sarcasm? Welcome everybody. I am Sarah. This is SarPlans, and we are going to rock out on this Friday, February 19th. February, the longest month ever. So, I've probably spent the most days in the house with this month. It's interesting. Well, we are going to bang this day out real quick because it is Friday today. It's pretty early. I don't know, 6 a.m. So I'm being kind of quiet because I don't want everybody to wake up. The dog's up, but the boy isn't yet. All right, so I pulled some stickers. I did this again, and I think that will make this go nice and quick. But I also got this in an oops kit from Fern Creek, and I think I can make some of this work. That's right. We're going to use it all. Hence this color. So, Friday's like my most boring day. So let's drop some stickers and see how boring it can really get. Sweet. I think that looks so sexy. Some pen, and we good. So this is definitely some random stuff. I mean, we have this random washi that I would never buy. That's from the other part of the kit. There is a quote from Lily's Little Cupboard. I think these are from Sticker Mama, Simply Smith, Planner Kate, Fern Creek. Yeah. We got this going on. Random. Totally random. Perfect. There's literally nothing going on today. If there was an appointment, it would be canceled. Let's add some check boxes. I'm loving this thing from OK Plans. SarPlans was the one who showed it. So I definitely dig it. It is so handy to make your little check boxes. It really, really is. Now I love my stencil. The size on this for me could be a little smaller, but I'm not complaining because it works perfectly. It does exactly what it needs to do. Ta-da. All right, so one thing that I wanted to do upon waking was definitely done. There it is. The deal has been sealed. My gray is dead, so we won't be using that. Let me see. We have these beauties. One's darker than the other, so let's hope it's this one. I think it is. Okay, cool. All right, guys. Nice and easy. That was all leftover. I guess you could say leftover, but this was an actual kit, but I didn't buy it, so I don't feel like it officially counts. You may disagree. Do you disagree? Hopefully not, because I love it when we're all on the same page. All right, my friends. So here's Friday. Here's my day off. Here's the day, the do nothing day. Okay? So I'm working on my subscribers. Get down there and subscribe. Oh. Okay, so first thing I wanted to tell you, besides get down there and subscribe, dated planners. $35% off. Plus, if you're an EC Insider, double points. Oh my goodness. Do you know how easy it is to redate these? Okay, next up. I know I still have to do the weekend, but your girl is ready for a leftover rainbow week. So it's about to go down. We're doing leftovers and we're doing rainbow. So get pumped, okay? If you like this, let me know down below and do a rainbow week with me. Whether or not you can do it in leftovers, doesn't matter. Let's do it. So let me know if you're gonna do it with me and we will like take pictures and we'll all be friends about it. All right, guys, now that I made no sense, it's way too early for me to be filming. I enjoy you. Thank you so much for sticking around and checking out my plan with me for Friday with random crap. You are awesome. Make good choices. Be good people. Peace.